In recent years, the usage of AI models has grown dramatically across various industries, and it is essential that privacy protection is incorporated into their design as a matter of course. AI models built on consumer data must also consider data privacy to address user concerns regarding automated systems that collect and use their data. Therefore, it is crucial that AI models are designed to ensure privacy protection as they continue to evolve. Simple machine learning models have made it possible to automate tedious and repeatable processes using text, images and tabular data. With deep learning becoming more prominent in solving complex problems such as image processing for disease detection, natural language processing for sentiment analysis, summarization and text translation, and recommendation systems for matching readers or shoppers with relevant content. The use of AI in medicine is becoming increasingly popular, especially since there is a vast amount of available data on patients' diseases and symptoms, which can be beneficial in situations where doctors are not able to fully identify and explain the connections between the two. Despite the promising applications of AI, it is crucial to handle privacy with special care, particularly in privacy-sensitive data analytics such as search algorithms, recommendation engines, and ad networks. The growth of AI has increased the possibility of personal data being used in ways that may infringe on privacy. Companies today demand and collect more data than ever before, which feeds machine learning algorithms. While this may help businesses understand their data better, it also raises concerns about data leakage and the risk of models learning private information. A survey conducted by Genpact in 2017 found that 63% of respondents valued privacy more than a positive customer experience, and wanted businesses to avoid using AI in case it invaded their privacy. Users are concerned about how an AI system accesses their personal information, the type of information it can access, and the level of privacy infringement. However, AI can also be used to minimize the risk of privacy breaches by encrypting personal data, reducing human error, and detecting potential cybersecurity incidents. To introduce AI, business technology leaders need to consider whether AI is necessary and whether their problems can be solved by more conventional methods. They need to have a good team of data engineers, ML engineers, and data scientists who can build, train and deploy models while processing large amounts of data. Tech leaders should also be aware that AI comes with risks and requires constant retraining and testing to combat concept drift. Furthermore, AI poses social, technological, and legal difficulties in protecting data privacy, and it is up to technology leaders to ensure that AI respects key privacy principles. In conclusion, big data is now more abundant than ever, and AI processing capabilities have the potential to fundamentally change how we tackle data and view information privacy. While AI has positive applications in healthcare, justice, and government, it is crucial to address data privacy concerns to ensure that it respects privacy principles. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.